Remember that period when air travel wasn't being accommodated and summer was at a standstill? Well, now with vaccines both a reality and a possibility, much of the world seems to be stepping out from its cocoon. By all indications, summer 2021 is signaling a new chapter in pandemic living, even for us here in Jamaica. Some of us are fully vaccinated and a number of destinations across the world have relaxed travel guidelines. So it does sound like more world traveling will be happening this summer. But as you pack your sunscreen and repellent, don't forget your sanitizer and our 2021 summer travel guidelines.
Safe to say, many travelers will be taking advantage of the summer opportunities that we spent over a year wistfully dreaming of. If your travel destination is right here in Jamaica, here are your guidelines. First, are you fully vaccinated? People are considered fully vaccinated 2 weeks after their second dose in a 2-dose series, such as Pfizer or Moderna vaccines, or 2 weeks after a single-dose vaccine, such as Johnson & Johnson's vaccine. But even after vaccination, you may still need to continue taking precaution. Before you travel anywhere, make sure you understand and follow all airline and destination requirements and check the current COVID-19 situation in your destination. Those coming from outside the island, whether you're a citizen or visitor, you are required to have a negative COVID-19 test result received no more than 3 days before travel. You're also still required to complete your travel authorization form on the Jam COVID website at least 2 days before flying. After arriving in Jamaica for fully vaccinated people, your quarantine period remains at 8 days. You will have to self-monitor for COVID-19 symptoms and get tested if you develop any.
For fully vaccinated persons, they now have the option as of July 1 of taking an approved PCR test, and upon presentation of negative results, they can be released from the quarantine order.
And for unvaccinated people, you're required to quarantine for 14 days, even if you test negative. Avoid being around people who are at increased risk for severe illness, whether you get tested or not.
So we are not lifting the quarantine rule of 14 days for persons who are not vaccinated. If you travel to Jamaica and you are not fully vaccinated, you must quarantine for 14 days.
If you're venturing off island, it's most likely going to be via airplane. And we can't disregard that there are still some pandemic pains when it comes to flying. So if you haven't been on a flight in a while, here are some tips to keep in mind for an easier flying experience this summer. Still mask up. Even if you're fully vaccinated, it doesn't mean you should throw away your mask supply. Some airports provide complimentary masks and hand sanitizer, and many airlines distribute disinfecting wipes upon boarding so passengers can clean their own area, just as an added measure for assurance. Empty seats are getting fewer. If you're flying this summer, you can expect flights to be more crowded and possibly sold out. That's partly because the effort many airlines make to block middle seats between passengers during the early stages of the pandemic have retracted. Some requirements continue. Some restrictions like negative COVID-19 test result are still in place, especially for international travel. A number of airlines are making it easier to get tested with airport testing options for passengers headed to some Caribbean islands and other places. Some airlines will turn away passengers who do not have the appropriate documentation available before boarding. Remember, regulations can change within destinations, so when planning a trip, review what is needed as your travel date approaches.
What to pack? Even as more countries relax mask guidelines, generally speaking, still pack your face mask and shields, and never forget your hand sanitizers. If you're going offshore, learn about the destination's entertainment or cultural attractions accessible to visitors and any rules in place. Here in Jamaica, you'll be allowed to visit places like the theaters, cinemas, and regulated hotels. For those most excited to dip their toes in the sand and soak up the sun, Jamaican beaches, rivers, water parks, attractions, and zoos are opening up, but observe the daily timestamps.
As many parts of the world remain in the pains of the pandemic and Jamaica proceeds with caution this summer, travel can bring a great deal of uncertainty, but paradoxically too, much delight.